Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send XDC from your Uphold account to your Phantom wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process simple and stress-free. XDC, the native token of the ShinFin network, is great for fast and secure transactions, and moving it to Phantom wallet gives you more control over your assets. Before we start, make sure you have an Uphold account with some XDC, a Phantom wallet set up on your device, and a bit of knowledge about crypto wallets. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it all. First things first, open your Uphold app or head to the website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your XDC balance. It's usually under your Assets or Portfolio section. Click on XDC to select it, then look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll need to enter your Phantom wallet address. To get that, open your Phantom app, go to the Wallet section, and copy the XDC compatible address. Make sure it's for the correct network, like ShinFin, to avoid any errors. Paste this address into the withdrawal form on Uphold, then enter the amount of XDC you want to send. Remember, always double-check the address to prevent losing your funds. Before confirming, review the transaction details, including any network fees. These might vary in 2025 based on network updates, so keep an eye on that. Hit confirm, and Uphold will process the transfer. This usually takes a few minutes, but it could be quicker depending on the network congestion. Once it's done, jump back to your Phantom wallet app and refresh your balance. You should see your XDC arrive safely. If you run into issues, like a failed transaction, check for common problems such as incorrect network selection or insufficient fees. And there you have it. That's how you send XDC from Uphold to Phantom wallet in 2025. It's easier than you think, and it puts you in the driver's seat of your crypto journey. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy out there.